Good morning, everyone. Let us start with simple interest. First, let us understand few terms in this. First one is principal. Principal, or you may also call it as sum. Sum is the money borrowed. The money borrowed is called a principal. Then comes interest. Interest is the additional money paid by the borrower, the additional money paid by the borrower is called interest. Amount. The total sum of money paid by a borrower to a lender. The total sum of money, the total sum of money paid by the borrower to the lender is called amount. This is equal to what? Principal plus interest. Now, rate is the rate on rupees 100. The rate on rupees 100 for 1 year is known as the rate percent per annum. Per annum means per year. Simple interest. If interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, it is called simple interest. Simple interest is equal to, understand, if P is the principal, R is the rate, T is the time. Simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. All other formulas are calculated or derived from this only. This formula only. Let us calculate. Principal is equal to, let us cross multiply and get the formula. Simple interest multiplied to 100 upon rate into time. For rate we have simple interest multiplied to 100 upon principal into time. Time is equal to simple interest multiplied by 100 upon principal into rate. So these are the formulas which we will be using in this chapter. Let us Two questions related to simple interest. If principal is equal to rupees 6400, the rate is equal to 6% per annum, time is 2 years, what is the simple interest and amount? Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. Let us calculate, children. 6400 multiplied to 6 multiplied to 2 upon 100. This is 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 64. Let us calculate. 48 and rupees 768. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. This is equal to 6400 plus 768. This is equal to 7168 rupees. Suppose if it is 2 years, 3 months, then your time will change to 2 plus 3 months can be written as 3 upon 12 year because in 1 year there are 12 months. This is 3 to 1 upon 4. This is equal to 9 upon 4. Then your calculations will also change. It will change to principal 6400 multiplied to 6 and time will become 9 upon 4 multiplied to 100. Let us calculate according to this also. You get this as 3, 2, this is 32. 32 into 3 is 96 and 96 multiplied by 9, 864. 864 will be the interest. Here the amount will change to 6400 plus 864. This is equal to 467,264. So if the time is in months, you have to convert it into years by dividing it by 12. Find the time when principal is rupees 6400, simple interest is rupees 1152, the rate is 6% per annum. Here time is equal to simple interest multiplied by 100 upon principal into rate. 6400 multiplied to, simple interest is 1152. 1152 multiplied to 100 upon 6400 into 6. Let us calculate. 192 and for 8, I can say 8 times 8, 24 times, this is equal to 3. My answer is 3 years is the time for, if the principal is 6,400, simple interest is 1,152 and rate is 6% per annum. Let us calculate the rate when principal is rupees 3560, amount is equal to 4521.20. Then what is the, and time is given as 3 years. Let us find the simple interest. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. 4521.20 minus 3560. Let us calculate. 20 961.20 is the simple interest. Let us calculate rate now. Formula for rate is simple interest multiplied to 100 upon principal into time. 961.20 multiplied to 100. This decimal removes, I get 100 in the denominator also. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. This is equal to 3204. Then let us simplify by the table of 4 only. It is 801 and this is 8 times 89 times. 89 times we get this as 89 nines is 801%, 89 multiplied by 9. So this is equal to 9% per annum. Per annum means per year. Rate is always calculated as per annum. Let us do a few more questions related to this. Hari borrowed Hari borrowed rupees 12,600 from a money lender at 15% per annum simple interest for 3 years. He paid rupees 7070 and and gave a gave a goat to clear of the debt. Find the cost of goat. Principal is 12,600. Rate is 15% per annum. Time is 3 years. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. This is equal to 12600 multiplied to 15 multiplied to 3 upon 100. Calculate, it is 126 multiplied to 45. 5670. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. This is 12600 plus 5670. Calculate. This is equal to 70 18270. Now he paid rupees 770 and a goat. That means if I subtract 18270 minus 770, I get the cost of the goat. So the cost of the goat is 11200. Let us solve one more question related to this. A sum of money becomes 8/5 of itself. The sum of money becomes 8/5 of itself in 5 years at a certain rate at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest. Find the rate of interest. First of all, let principal be P. Let principal be P. Sum of money becomes 8/5 of itself. Amount is equal to 8/5 of principal. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. 8 upon 5p minus p, which is equal to 3 upon 5p. This is the simple interest. Here, time is 5 years. You have to calculate the rate. Rate is simple interest multiplied 200 upon principal into time. This is equal to 3 upon 5p multiplied 200 upon principal, and time here is 5 years. This gets cancelled. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 fours are 100. 4 into 3, 12. 12% per annum is the rate of interest. Thank you, children. That's all for the day today.